I came across the loan signing system by Mark Wills, and
I cannot tell you enough great things about this particular program.
The loan signing system course is worth every penny.
With this program, I've been able to make money.
So many different ways to make money as a notary.
There's $660 worth of work for one day.
Loan signing system has changed my life for good.
I did a loan signing. I got $65 and it took all of 15-20 minutes, and it's proof of the system does work.
The checks are real. The checks are real. I have a check for $80, a check for $90. Get this. I got $175 for taking a direct signing, and I loved it.
These 4 checks right here are from one title company, and they total almost $2,000, just those 4 checks. His system has really worked well for me.
Here's a copy of a check I just made just this morning. Easy, 20 minutes in and out, quick, $150.
There's money to be made in this industry. The sooner you sign up, the sooner you can make money.
There are now days that I make $500 in a day.
With Mark's help, it showed me that it's not as hard as I think to make 6 figures.
Within the first couple of months, I made the $10,000 per month club.
How would $10,000 change your life?
Looking back, would I say it was worth it? Absolutely.
Yes, it is worth the money.
Loan signing system is 100% worth the money.
100% worth it.
It is definitely worth the money.
The investment is so worth it.
It's worth every dollar. I would do it all over again.
It transformed the way I thought about business, transformed the way I thought about marketing and relationships, and how to serve my community and to give back. In the year 2022, I made $76,895 here in Utah.
I was making extra money to be able to help pay down my debt.
I can have the flexibility I want, so I can spend time with my baby and make money.
Something where I could work less hours, make the same amount or even more money
in order to be home with my children.
Which ultimately is the beginning of changing my family's life.
Mark is very thorough in his course.
This program is very, very in-depth.
Mark made it super simple for me to understand the business.
It really drives personal development, and it gives you all the resources that you need to be successful in this business.
The support system that's in the loan signing community with Mark Wills is just amazing.
The loan signing system does give you all the tools you will need to be successful.
From the start, getting your notary commission, all the way through to marketing to direct clients and getting the big bucks.
We get continuous training.
Training information on the how-tos of this business.
Support from Facebook.
I love our Facebook group.
It is unbelievable. You have support.
The live trainings and especially the one-on-one weekly mentorship.
In every training, in every mentorship, Mark will inspire you, will mentor you, will educate you to be the best notary you'll ever be.
This is the best training that you'll find anywhere. They give you so much value for your money.
My only regret is not taking the course sooner.
So if you're thinking twice about doing something like this, do it.
He's giving you all the tools. You just need to do it.
Get the course, take a chance.
It will be the best investment that you've ever made.
If you're wanting to transform your life, it's a great opportunity.
It is a must-have for anyone who wants to build something for themselves.
I was on the fence for probably 3 or 4 months before I finally decided to take the leap, and I'm so glad I did.
It's worth the value, it's worth the money, and it's worth your time.
Loan signing system is the best program for you.
If there's anybody that can teach you how to make money as a notary loan signing agent, it's Mark Wills. Take the course. You will not be disappointed.
Make a change not only for yourself, but for your family. See you at the top. Let's go!